In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send GIFs on Facebook Messenger. GIFs are a quick way to add emotion, humor, and clarity to your messages, and Messenger makes them easy to use whether you're on your phone or your computer. I'll walk you through both, step by step, and share simple tips so your GIF lands exactly the way you intend. Let's start on mobile, whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone. First, open the Messenger app and open the conversation where you want to send the GIF. It could be a one-on-one chat or a group. Once you're in the conversation, look along the message bar for the GIF icon. On some versions, you might first tap the plus sign and then choose GIF. That opens a panel filled with animated options. At the top of that panel, you'll see a search bar. Type a word or short phrase that matches what you want to express. Things like congrats, happy birthday, facepalm, or mic drop. Messenger will instantly pull in a selection of matching GIFs so you can scan for the perfect reaction. You can also browse through the suggested or trending GIFs without typing anything if you're just looking for a quick reply. When you find the one you want, tap the GIF and it sends immediately. There's no separate send button for GIFs in this view, so be sure you're ready before you tap. That's all there is to it on mobile. Now let's do the same thing on a computer using messenger.com. Open the conversation you want to use. Just like on your phone, you'll find a GIF button near the message box. Click that button to open the GIF picker. A search field will appear so you can type in a keyword that fits your message. As soon as you enter your word, you'll see a gallery of related GIFs. Scroll through until you spot the one that captures your tone, whether you're celebrating, reacting, or keeping the mood light. When you're set, click the GIF, and it sends right away into the chat. Quick, clean, and no extra steps needed. That's it. On mobile or on your computer, sending a GIF in Facebook Messenger is as simple as opening the conversation, using the built-in GIF picker, searching or choosing from suggestions, and tapping or clicking to send. With these basics, you can add personality to any message in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making your conversations more expressive with the perfect GIF.